Look what I have for y'all here today, the TMG Volunteer, America's favorite backyard offset smoker. All right, guys, this is our Texas style, built in Tennessee, built better. I'm just putting that out there. Texas style traditional flow offset smoker. This is a big unit right here, 128 gallons. I'll tell you right now, this ain't no little girl smoker, okay? If you're a little girl, go on down the road. This is a big boy smoker right here. We'll open her up. 128 gallons, 52 inches long, 27.5 inches deep. We got bottom and top sliding trays. We have a water pan shelf off to the side here. Set your water tray in there. That way you're not using up that valuable cooking space. Of course, got your fire scraper in there as well. It does have a 1-inch ball valve grease drain down there. Y'all may not be able to see it, but it's there, I promise. TMG Pitts Tell-True thermometers on the smoke chamber there. Fold down stack. All right, guys, that is standard right here. It's gonna fold down out of the way. Now, what's not standard is this stainless steel shelf. Normally, you'd get a wire mesh shelf there. My man John here decided to upgrade to the stainless steel, so that ain't free, guys. All right, it's gonna cost you a little extra. This thing, base model, no upgrades, 4,500 bucks. Gets you a TMG Volunteer. Stainless shelf's gonna run you a few hundred extra, but well worth it. Looks slick, cleans up good. Still got your paper towel utensil holder there, and of course it folds down. Boom, it's like it's not even there. Step around to the firebox. Guys, the firebox is 3/8 thick, 1/4-inch smoke chamber. Now this customer did add our griddle top, all right? So we do cut out the top of the firebox. This sucker gets hot, let me tell you that. And it's nice to have a hot surface while you're smoking, guys. Throw you some smash burgers on there, wear them out. Inside here, you see what the inside looks like. It's round. See that? That's what round looks like. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. On our caster model, guys, like I said, 4,500 bucks gets you out the door with one of these bad boys. So y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pitts, Knoxville, Tennessee.